Hello and welcome to Hemisphere Cars. Today we're going to replace the battery in my key fob for my 1994 Corvette. I believe similar key fobs which have the clip in the back are from 1993 to 1996. Earlier C4 key fobs from 84 to 92 I believe may have had screws. So let's get going and see how things work out today. So let's get this battery out of the key fob so we can replace it with one that fits. Then we have this little clip here that holds, this in place. So what I do is I use my thumbnail to pry it back. Oh, looks like it's going to break, sure enough. Anyway, so these things are very fragile. It's from a 1994 Corvette, so I guess I'll be using tape. All right, next thing. These things are tough to get apart, and I've never seen a video where they actually show it taken apart, so I'm using a razor. Be very careful, and wear some safety glasses, which I'm going to put on right now. And why? Just in case this metal fractures. You never know what's going to happen with the razor blade or tools. So have my safety glasses on. The clip's been moved back. Just wedge it in there a little bit and start working it back and forth. And there we go. It's off. So it's a Maxwell battery. Yes, the CR 2450. Okay, so there's this little notch here, this little lever. You can just push this back a little bit and get the battery out. Okay. I had trouble getting this Panasonic battery in before. And I thought it didn't work, but apparently it does. So I just had it in there, so just take it, slip it in there. There. Okay, I guess it's easier. Let's take it out again. This is easier if you place it down first, and then it'll slide past that little clip, which is not exactly going to hold it in completely. With the Maxwell, there's a little notch and the clip would snap over it. However, you cannot get these anymore. I've searched all over the place and I've tried to get a Maxwell CR 2450 with this notch. Can't get it, can't find it anywhere. If you can, good luck to you. Okay, and then just have to put this back. This is where the notch was. And that's it. Now this little clip, I open and close it like half a dozen times, maybe a couple more. And that's why finally after almost 30 years, since 1994, so 28 years, it finally just fatigued. Dried plastic, that old. And I tried, originally, I'm going to try and get it with a screwdriver. Well, I realized that didn't work. That's why I went and I used a razor blade. Be very careful. Don't put a lot of pressure on here. Don't slide and cut yourself. It's dangerous. If you're clumsy, have someone else do this that's not. Okay? And then I guess I'll get a small piece of black, probably Gorilla Tape, and just slide it through there and across there just to hold it in place. Although it doesn't seem to be coming apart or anything. So I'll just do that anyway. All right, I hope this helps you. And that's it for now. I'll put the keys back on and it'll be all set.